let's talk about exploitation of cross-site scripting. What an attacker can achieve by this vulnerability. See, I get to know that if someone will execute this, they will get a pop-up of 1. Why this is executing? Why we are getting pop-up? Because of this script alert 1. Because of this alert 1, we are getting 1 pop-up, 1 as a pop-up. Now see, the first attack is URL redirection. What if instead of alert 1, what if I'll give document dot location dot hrefs and I'll give some website there, http://bing.com. let's do this now. So everything will be same. So instead of this alert 1, if I'll do this now, if I will send this link to someone, see this, let's examples, you are a visitors, you are a client now, you are a users now, you got this link, see it's redirecting to bing.com. so that means there is a URL redirections. An attacker can use this vulnerability for phishing. Yes, so I hope the URL redirection is clear to you.